How to contact Shein customer service. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can contact Shein customer service. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to Shein.com, make sure that you're signed into your account. Head over to the profile icon at the top right and click on My Profile. Once you're here, scroll down a bit and navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. There is a section as customer service. There you have two options, service record or contact us. So head over to second option that says contact us. Now you will land on this page that says customer service where you have common FAQ. So if you have any of this problem, you could simply check it from here and view for the solution. If not, head over to view more. Then you could also find some other solution if you're looking for. If that does not help you, then you could also submit a ticket. Here it says customer service ticket within 24 hours. So click on customer service where you can submit your ticket. Here, now you could type in your message or you could explain your issues briefly. So fill out your issues and once you're done with that, click on enter. And then now your request has been sent to the support directly. If you want to check your ticket status, you have to head over to the help center, go to the my tickets under your profile, then you will see all of the updates and replies there. So that's it. That's how you can contact to Shein customer service, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.